Welcome back to this section. For this class now, we'll be looking at how to insert your line chart. Okay, let's move on to our dashboard. So to insert your line chart, we have lots of them here. We have this here. These are line charts. You can also use this area chart. You can also use, they're almost alike. Okay, so but let's use this. Okay, you can explore with the others. So you click on this line chart, then you have this guy. Drag and arrange to your text. Drag and arrange to your text. All right, now so these are line charts. So I want to see how much each product made. So you click on your product down to the x-axis, and let's bring the sales down to the y-axis. And we have a line chart here. So this simply means now Pasco made the highest. If you keep your cursor here to give you how much they made, 33,011,143 naira. 0.95 kobo. That's what it made. But then if you don't go about doing this, you can just come to your format and come here and data label, turn on your data label. So you have it here. So you see for each of the location, you have the amount made. All right, as you can see. So you can increase the size if you want. You can increase the size. Maybe that's too down. You can increase the size. Come to value. Let's make it 20. So you see, we have a bigger size. All right, you can increase it to your size. All right, to how much you want. Okay, so this is how to increase, how to form your line graph. You can also change the background if you're not okay with this background. I don't like this white background. It's so boring. So put this background, and you have this guy here. So you can also change the value color. Come to these visuals. Then move to your data labels. And down to where you have the values, you have to change the color to white, because the background is black. Change the color to white, and we have something here. You can do the same for the y-axis and also the x-axis. So let me just quickly show you how to do that. So go up here. This is your x-axis. Let's change the color to yellow. All right, or white if you like. So for x-axis, let's change the color to white. Okay, then if you watch carefully, you see some horizontal lines. Those are the grids. I don't like them, so I'll just simply go to grid lines, turn it off. All right, so you see they are off. So that's my line chart. I'll see you in the next class.